Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
Okay, see, I can list down more than one values at a time. See, over here, I have listed only one particular value over here, right? If I want to retrieve more than one values, I can just say 0, 2, 4. How many elements are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I can just say like this. Now you can see 1, 3, 5. That is, I can provide the list of indexes. Okay, I can provide the list of indexes, and this operation is not possible with respect to list. Okay, this is not permitted in list. You can't access the indexes like this. Array indexing is not at all possible. Okay, that is, if you want to save it in this thing, one variable, let's say indexes is 0, 2, 4, and then you can just give array one of indexes. Like this also you can do, no problem. The thing is, here we are saving into one variable and then we are accessing it via that. Okay, so I can pass multiple indexes at the same time. This is one of the advantage with respect to NumPy arrays. It is not permitted in list. Okay, and this is the case of one-dimensional array. If for the case of two-dimensional array, I have to say first is row index is equal to, I can say 0, 1, 2, 3, and then I have to say column index is equal to 1, 0 or 1, 2, 0, 2. I have to give both list of row indexes as well as column index because I am giving both here, right? Row index, comma column index. Now what can I do? I can just say print of array of row index, comma column index. Now tell me how the element will be mapped. How the elements will be mapped now, how the elements will be retrieved. Can anyone guess that? Now I have list of row indexes. 0.
Yeah. The first element of 0, 1 in the matrix.
Yeah. Yeah, and
Yes.
Like that it will be.
followed by 2,
What
0.
is the concept behind this?
So the row
What is
column.
the concept behind this? Yeah, that's right. What is the concept behind this? What function is being used implicitly? Zip function?
Might be zip function, yeah.
Yes, it is zip function. That is 0, 1. It is traversing the iterable objects parallelly. So first is 0, 1. What is 0, 1? Over here, 0th row, first column, thing but 2. Okay, and then 1, 2, and then 2, 0, and then 3, 2. So now you can see the output 2, 6, 7, 12. So this concept is called as integer array indexing. We can provide array of indexes with respect to single dimensional, and over here I can provide list of row indexes and the list of column indexes, and each index will be mapped based on the zip function. Guys, getting it? Everyone?
Yep.
Yeah, so please try it out, guys. Let me just copy that. So this concept is called as integer array indexing. Okay. This will be used in all the data structures that we are going to see today, like pandas series, pandas data frame, everywhere it is being used. If you understand it here, it will be very easy to understand with respect to pandas and series. Sorry, pandas series and data frames.
So square braces will act as a slicing operator here, right?
Yes. So there is, if you want to access index or slicing, you have to mention it in square brackets on. It's not an operator, it's a way of representing the indexes.
Oh, okay. So square braces, I think it has multiple purposes. One's to represent the list and also for indexing. Till now we have encountered.
Yes, and also for numpy arrays.
Numpy arrays, okay.
Yeah. So if you say list, right, the values will be separated by commas. You can see 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. That is a list. And with the values are separated by spaces, that's nothing but numpy array.
Okay.
Got it? For example, if I want to print the same thing in list, right? So I can just say like this. I can just say like list of this one. Now you can see the difference.
Oh, okay.
Now this is a numpy array, this is a list. Okay?
Yeah.
Done, everyone?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. So now the next type of indexing is nothing but Boolean array indexing. And this feature is not at all in list. Okay, this is not at all present in list. It is only present in arrays. Okay, what does this mean? What do you mean by Boolean? Boolean means some condition. Based on some condition, you'll be having either true or false. Okay, so Boolean array indexing. That means what? Based on the condition, we can retrieve the values. Okay, so now we have something like this. That is, if I say array underscore 1 and then array underscore 2, you have some values like this. Correct? Now consider I want to retrieve the elements which are greater than 3 in this. What I will do in other programming languages, first we will write loops. We will start with the loops actually. Correct? And then we will use if condition, like if this element array of I is greater than 3, then print this element like that. So but over here what we can do, I can just simply write like this, array underscore 1 greater than 3. Simply I can write like this. Now what will happen in this case? For whichever element is greater than 3, for those elements it will be false. See 1, 2, 3. 1 is false, 2 is false, 3 is false, and then 4. 4 is greater than 3, so true. And then 5 is greater than 3, it is true. So now I can see in the Boolean format, that is each and every element in this array is represented in Boolean format, that is either true or false. Now consider I want to retrieve only the elements which are greater than 3, that is whichever is true. Filter it. Okay, I want to retrieve the elements which are greater than 3. So in that case, what you can do, you can just say array 1 within the index. I can just mention the condition array 1 greater than 3. Now you can see the value is 4 and 5. Okay, the value is 4 and 5. So whenever you use Boolean indexing, right, it always returns the output in one-dimensional format only. Even if you do the same thing with respect to this one, like two-dimensional arrays, okay, let's say array 2, array underscore 2 greater than 6. Okay, now it will display the result in one-dimensional format. That is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like this. Okay, that is, it displays all the elements which are greater than 6. Okay, and if I want to have multiple conditions, yes, I can have it. That is, I can say print array underscore 2 condition 1 and condition 2. This is nothing but AND operator. Okay, this is nothing but AND operator. Okay, A and D AND. That is, if I want to retrieve the elements which are greater than 7 and lesser than 10, okay, I can just write array2 greater than 6 and array2 less than 10. So now you can see 7, 8, 9 as the output. And if I want to use OR condition, I can just use pipe in between that. So basically, if you use OR over here, what will happen in this case? That is, any one condition needs to be satisfied. So in this case, it will retrieve all the elements like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I can use multiple conditions using this ampersand and then pipe symbol. So this is called Boolean array indexing, wherein we can have the condition in place of index. Okay, we can have some conditions in place of index. Okay, so guys, any questions in this? So, and this concept is not present, that is, it is not possible with respect to list. Okay, with respect to list, we can't do this operation. We have to use loops. Okay, so try it out and then we will see slicing. Try it out and let me know once it is done.
I'm done.
Done, right? Yeah. So everyone is done with it? Okay. So next we are going to see very important concept, being but slicing. Okay. So first let me explain on single dimensional array. So this slicing used everywhere. Okay, like you can use it in series, you can use it in data frame, and you can use for splitting the data. Like whenever we see the flow chart, okay, so we saw something like splitting the data set into train and test, right? So using slicing we can split it. Okay, now consider this one, array 1. All right, now if I say, if I want to print the elements from 2 till a end. Okay, so now for that particular case, right, I can say array 1 of 1 colon. So that is, this is start index and colon end index. If you are not mentioning the end index, what will happen? It will be taken till the end. That is, it starts from index 1. Okay, it starts from index 1 till end. Now you can see 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, similarly, if I want to give something like this, colon 2, okay, array underscore 1 of colon 2. So in this case, what will happen? It starts from the beginning because I didn't mention the start index. It starts from the beginning and then it goes till the end. That is, sorry, goes till 1. Whenever you mention end index, it always goes till n minus 1. If you are not mentioning the end index, it goes till end. If you have mentioned the end index, it goes till n minus 1. Okay, so now it will just print 0 and 1. You can see it over here. If you mentioned both, let's say array underscore 1, if you mention both, now tell me what will happen now. Index 1, index 2 will be printed, index 3 will be printed. That's it. because I have mentioned the end index as 4. Okay, whenever you say end index as 4, okay, it will go till n minus 1, that is nothing but 3. So now you can see 3 elements, 2, 3, 4, like this. Okay, so guys, clear so
Yep.
far?
Yes.
Okay, now let me say array underscore 1 colon colon 2. Now I am giving 2 colons. Okay, let me just write it separately. Now I am giving 2 colons now. Here I have given only 1 colon. Whenever you have give 1 colon, first is start index, second is stop index, that is end index. Whenever you say 3 colons, first is start index, second is end index, third is step index. So here I didn't mention the start index, so by default it will start with 0. Then next will be 0 plus 2. What is 0 plus 2? 2. Then 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6, which is not at all exist. So now you can see it will print 0, 2, 4. For example, if I say print array underscore 1, 1 colon colon 2. So guys, now what will happen in this case?
1,
1,
3, 5.
3, 5. Now you can see 2, 4. Because 5 is not there, right? That's why it is printing 1 and 3. That's it. Okay. And what will happen with this case? Array underscore 1, 1 colon 4 colon 3. What will happen now?
Only
1
first
and
element.
3.
1 and
Yeah.
4.
Only first element will be printed, yeah. So only one element will be printed. Because 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 is not included.
Correct.
Okay, so only one element will be printed. So this is in case of single dimensional array. Okay, this is in case of single dimensional array. Now let's take multi-dimensional array, that is 2-dimensional array. So here I have to mention the slicing for both row index as well as the column index. Okay, here I have to mention the slicing for both row index as well as the column index. That is, I have to say print array of colon comma colon. Now what will happen in this case?
Full.
Full. That is all the rows and all the columns. Okay. Now if I say print of array of colon 2 comma 2 colon. What is colon 2?
Till the second index.
Yeah, 0 to 1.
That is, yeah, that is 0 to 1.
0.
That's right. Okay.
Yeah.
So row index will be 0 and 1. Okay, row index will be 0th row, that is row 0, and then row 1.
Or 1.
So these two will be selected. Okay, in that what we are doing 2 colon. What does that mean, 2 colon? That is
2
only the
and
last
2.
column will be taken. Yeah,
Yeah,
that is
yeah.
3 and 6. Okay,
Correct.
so now column will be, okay, now the column will be just 2 will be considered, like column 2 will be considered because we don't have more than that. So now you can see 3 and 6. 3 and 6. Got it right, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. So similarly, if I do the other way around, that is 2 colon and then colon 2. Now tell me what will be the output?
$12.
No,
Oh, sorry. 9. Sorry. 9 and
No, this is slicing, right? 2 colon 2. What
The
is
two
2 colon?
7, 8, 9, 10,
From
11,
row
12.
That's right. And what is colon 2?
Column will be till second.
Yeah, that is
7,
until
yeah,
second, right?
okay.
So column
7,
0,
8,
column 1. Yeah,
7, 8,
7, 8
10,
till
11.
10.
Yeah, 10, 11.
Exactly. Okay. So this is how it will work with the positive step indexes. Sorry, positive indexes basically. We can give negative indexes also over here. Okay. So first you take this and then we'll see negative indexes. Okay. This slicing operation is also there in list and tuple. Okay. Yep. So take it down. And then we will see the negative indexes. So let me know once it is done, okay?
Just one doubt there. Initially, we initialized the array with ARR_2, but we used ARR there. Is it taking it from the previous examples, or will it take automatically?
Okay. What was happening is, see, this is the case with Jupyter Notebook. Okay, the thing is, we created array before array_2, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so it was taking that basically.
So older one. Okay.
Yes. That is until you shut down this notebook, this particular object will be exist.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Fair. Yeah.
Yeah.
Done, everyone? Okay.
Yes.
So now let me take one-dimensional array. So now I have array_1. Okay. So whenever you take from left to right, we have the positive indexes. That is, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, like that. Whenever you take right to left, okay, this is nothing but negative indexes. That is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. For example, if I say array underscore 1 of -1 and array underscore 1 of -5. So -1 will be the last element. -5 will be 5th element from the last. Okay, so now you can see the output as 5 and then 1. Got it?
Yes.
Got it, everyone? Okay. So now let's do slicing. That is, if I say, okay, let me just write it now. Okay, so let me write like this. That is, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. These are the values, and these are all indexes. Index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4, and similarly this is -5, this is -4, this is -3, this is -2, and this is -1. Okay, now whenever I write, okay, whenever I write -5 colon, okay, what will happen in this case is, whenever you say -5 with a single colon, it always goes from left to right. It will not traverse in reverse order. Okay, now what will happen whenever I say -5 colon, from -5 index till the last. Okay, so now it will display everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is from index -5. Okay, from index -5, and then it goes till the end. So what is -5? Basically 1. Okay, and here I didn't mention the end index, so it takes till the end. It can be 4 or it can be -1, depends on that. Okay, now consider I'm saying something like this: array underscore 1 -5 colon -1. Now tell me what will be the output.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, whenever I mention end index, it goes till n-1, right? So what is n here? It is -1. So now -1 -1. That is, if I say n-1, which is nothing but -1 -1 is nothing but -2. So it takes from -5 till -2. So now it will give you the output as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now tell me the output of this one. Okay, array underscore 1 1 colon -1. What will happen in this case? 1 colon -1.
1, 2, 3.
1. What is 1?
2, 3, 4.
2.
2, 3, 4.
2, 3,
Yeah.
4. That's right.
2, 3, 4. Yeah.
Okay, that's right. That is, except the first element and the last element, everything will be printed. 2, 3, 4. Clear? Everyone is clear with single colon now?
Yeah.
Okay, with negative index. So whenever you say single colon and if you say negative index, it goes only from left to right. Okay, it goes only from left to right. Now let's come with double colon.
One quick
Yes.
question there.
Yes.
So what is the benefit of it? I mean, we can achieve that with 0 to 4 as well, right? Instead of -5 to -1, we can achieve that with 0 to 4. So what is the benefit that
Exactly.
brings indexing?
See, benefit is, for example, consider you want to retrieve the last 10 elements.
Mhm.
How will you retrieve? You want
Last
to
10
retrieve
elements.
the last 10 elements.
Okay, if you don't know the size and you want to retrieve the last 10 elements.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and also if you want to retrieve the last element, or second last element, or third last element.
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 3D99 plan and grow your skills immensely.
Then you can use negative indexing. Got it? See, if you want to retrieve the first n elements, you can use positive indexing. If you want to retrieve the last n elements, you can retrieve the negative indexing. Okay? Clear?
Okay.
Right. So now let's
So
use.
one second. So Mohan, it is if I am giving 10 colon minus 1. So what does that mean? The parsing starts from the end, the last item.
Mm-hmm.
No, I did not get to retrieve the last n elements means.
See, for example, if I want to retrieve the last 2 elements.
Okay.
See, an array can contain any number of elements, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If I am considering the positive indexes, I should find the length of the element first. Sorry, length of an array first, and then I have to retrieve the last 2 elements.
Okay.
Right? Now it is not required for you to know the size of an array. Okay. If you want to retrieve the last n elements, let's say last 2 elements, you can just start with -2 and then colon. So that gives you the last 2 elements actually. See, array underscore 1 -2 colon. You can see 4, 5. That's it. Okay. So, but it is bit difficult. You have to apply some logic if you want to retrieve it using the positive indexes, right? The thing is, first I need to find the number of elements in the array, and then I have to check the last element, and then -1, like that we need to do. So many things we have to do at that time. Correct?
Okay. Yeah.
That is, for example, like this. Let's say num element is equal to len of array 1. So this gives you number of elements in the array. Okay. That is num element is nothing but this, and the second last element will be num element -2. See here, 5 and 3. All right. So now if I want to retrieve, what should I do? I have to say array 1. Okay, I have to say num element -2 colon num underscore element. See here, 4, 5. So instead of doing all these logical things, I can just apply this particular indexing.
Okay. Yeah.
Got it, right? So it makes our life easier. Yeah. So now let me take it again. Okay, let me just copy this again. Right. So now let me say, we all know the output of this array 1 colon 2. That is, it skips, right? It skips. So whenever the step index is positive, it goes from left to right. Okay, whenever the step index is positive, it goes from left to right. So basically, in that case, what will happen? Start index becomes 0, end index becomes number of elements, like this. That is, this plus 1, like this. Okay, but now that is, in this case, what will happen? Start index will be 0, end index will be 4 plus 1 is nothing but 5. Okay, and then step index will be 2, so it goes from left to right. All right, it goes from left to right actually. Now in this case, I can see the output like 135. Now similarly, what can I do? I can say array underscore 1 colon -2. Whenever I say -2, start index becomes -1. That is, it comes from the last, and end index becomes -5 -1 is -6. That is this one, -5 -1 -6, and then step is -2. So it goes from right to left, that is in the reverse order. Okay, now I will be getting the output as 5, 3, and then 1. it will reverse the entire structure. Okay, it will reverse the entire structure actually. Okay, that is the purpose of step index. That is, whenever you do step index as negative, okay, it goes from right to left actually. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So now, for example, let me do array underscore 1. Okay, 1 colon 5 colon 2. So in this case, what will happen? It gives 1 and 3, right? And similarly, if I do array underscore 1 colon 5 colon minus 2, now this will not provide any output. This just produces an empty string. Okay, see here, empty array. Because what is 1 minus 2? What is 1 minus 2?
Minus 1.
-1.
Right? Yeah, -1 is not between 1 and 5, so it fails. Okay, the thing is, if you write in C structure, okay, if you write in C structure, okay, that is, I can write something like for I is equal to 0, sorry, I is equal to, okay, let me write for this one and then let me write for the other one. Okay, that is, if you want to understand it very clearly, I can write like I is equal to 1, I is less than 5, I plus equal to 2. Okay, I plus equal to 2. So now if I just print it, print array 1 of I. Okay, so now first it will say 1 is less than 5, satisfied, so it will print 1. Then 1 plus equal to 2, nothing but 3, right? 3 is also less than 5, it will print 3. Then 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 is less than 5, the condition is failed. Okay, then it comes out. So if I have the step index as negative, then it changes the condition like this. That is, what will happen here is I is equal to, okay, 1, I is greater than 5, and then I minus equal to 2. So it will change it like this actually. Now what will happen in this case, tell me? So I is equal to 1, it will be initialized. 1 is greater than 5. Now what will happen in this case?
It will fail.
The condition will fail, right? Yeah, it will fail, it comes out. That's why it is printing the empty. So in order to print it in the reverse order, what should I do here is, I have to give something like this. That is 3, then I can give 0, then 3 minus 2. Okay, in this case, what will happen? First, it will print 3, right? Because 3 is greater than 0. And then 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 is greater than 0, right? So 3 and 1 will be printed. So in this case, I should give like this: 3 colon 0 colon minus 2. Now you can see 4 2. Here it is 2 4. It is printing 2 4 2. So whenever you say step index is negative, the condition implicitly changes like this. Okay, so that's why it is reversing it. All right.
Yep.
So guys, clear with this? Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So please try it out. Let me just copy this one. Yeah. Please try it out.
Please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely.
Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest.
Thanks for watching.